Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is August the 18th. We are out here in Lawrenceville, Georgia, right not far from the shop, about 15 minutes from my shop. We're going to be doing a little bit over 600 square feet. It's a small job, but there's a lot of wax on these floors. And we're going to be doing a wax removal, screen, recoat with UV curing. After we get the coating down, I'm going to shoot up to Beaufort, do a consultation that came in yesterday. Also had a few projects that came in. I'm actually doing one tomorrow. Never went out and did the consultation. She actually used someone else's measurements and sent it to me. It's an engineered floor, screen, recoat, UV cure, and then Friday, had another one come in yesterday. Brand new floors, engineered floors. Got glue everywhere. They cannot get it off. She did send me a video, pictures, and then she also already had the measurements. So she had the floors put in. And we're going to be doing a screen and recoat UV cure on that on Friday. So I have one more opening probably for Thursday this week. So let me show you what we're going to be doing today. All right, guys. So these are the floors we're going to be doing. I'm about to start emulsifying. I'm going to have Tavares start taping off the carpet so we don't get wax on the carpet. But guys, these are the floors right here. My wife, I'll call her back. This foyer, okay? And then in this kitchen. And the reason why people can start telling, because you can start to see areas where the wax is starting to chip off. And you can see all the debris and dirt. So it makes the floors look really dirty. And so what we're going to do first is emulsify all this wax as much as possible. I got my buffer I'm going to be using. I'm going to tape off right here as well. And then we're going to screen the floor. This floor is natural. It is not stained. So that's even better when you're dealing with this process because you don't have to worry about knocking stain off. And then once we do that, I'm going to do 2 coats of finish, go off and do the consultation, and then come back and do the UV cure. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started.
Town when the daylight was low, dust on his boots from a long winding road, old hat leaning and a heart made of gold. Folks round here still remember him so. Oh, Truman, oh, Truman, hear that lonesome whistle blow. Oh, Truman, oh, Truman, where he's headed, no one knows. Steady hands and a soul so true, he bring that old wood back to new. When the sun sinks down and the cool wind blows, you can hear them singing.
All right, guys, we are done. We just got back from doing a consultation, which was in Sugar Hill, Beaufort area. Same thing, waxed on the floor, so it's going to be a wax, screen, recoat, UV cure, just like this floor. But it wasn't a lot of wax. I think he said they did it twice, and then they started noticing that something was wrong. So he actually found me. He told me he found me on not ChatGPT. What's the one called? The Google VO something. He said he just asked Google and it recommended me, and it actually showed some of my videos. So guys, this floor came out amazing. As you see, client wanted a gloss finish. Like I said, we rarely do gloss, but when clients request gloss, we do it. Now the only thing about gloss, guys, you have to remember, it shows everything. Debris, scuff marks, footprints, but I will say their house is low traffic, and they don't have dogs either, so that's a good thing. So that's one thing about finish, the sheens of finishes. I'm not going to say they have their pros and cons, but gloss is the one that will probably give you more future problems than the other sheens. All right. Tomorrow we have a huge project in Fairburn. It is a engineered floor. They're moving into the house this weekend. Didn't realize how expensive it would be to replace the floors, so they sent me pictures, videos, and I told them we can definitely make the floors look better. And then that's what we got tomorrow. And then Friday, I got 3 consultations so far Thursday, and then on Friday we have another job, which is going to be another brand new engineered floor. Screen and recoat. They got glue all over it. Could not get the glue off. So we're going to just go on there, screen, recoat it, UV cure the floors. The one thing about this UV, especially, looking at this floor, the gloss, you can actually see it working and tightening that finish up. But this floor came out amazing. All right, T, just run it back there for me.
No.
Just run it back there for me. Just hit that little part right there for me.
Oh.
All right, guys, show off the floors. Remember all that wax. And that's one thing I told my client is the floors are going to be so much lighter. So much lighter. Oh, this floor came out amazing. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Go ahead and pull up this tape. We always tape off the carpet. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Clients are very, very, very happy. So happy he even asked me, he said, Courtney, can I leave you a tip? Yes, you can. We greatly appreciate it. All right, guys. See you in the next one.